Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to check whether a year is a leap year or not using a Python. Okay, first I will type leap year or not. And next I will take variable year equals to 2024 and next I am using if condition here. If year modulus 4 equals to 0. Why I'm using is here if condition means after I will tell you, I will explain everything this code. Okay, and next I will print here leap year. Yes, and print off not leap year. Okay, see, this is code or leap year or not. Here first I'm creating a variable called year and assigning the value of 2024 to it, and next I'm using the if condition here. See, if condition here to check whether the year is divisible by 4. Okay, and here modulus I'm using, right? A modulus, this is called as a modulus, it's called the modulus operator. It gives the remainder of division. And next, if the remainder is 0, it means the year is divisible by 4, so it is a leap year. That's why we print leap year inside the if block. If the condition becomes false, the program goes to the else block. Okay, in the else block we print not leap year. So for the year 2024 the output will be leap year. Okay, just yeah, see it is called as a leap year. You got the output, right? Is the leap year. Okay, that's it for video. I hope you understood how to check a leap year using Python. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Python beginners. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.